Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a car that has long held a special place in the hearts of classic car enthusiasts. While many remember the original Karmann Ghia from its debut in the late 50s, Volkswagen has revived it for the modern era with some exciting updates. So, let's break down the 2025 version, taking a closer look at the exterior design, interior features, performance, and the price point. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia takes inspiration from its classic predecessors, but it's been updated with contemporary touches that give it a more refined, sleek look. The body is sculpted with smooth curves, reminiscent of the original Ghia's design but with sharper, more defined edges. The front end features a slightly more aggressive grille with LED lighting that runs across the front, adding a modern touch to the vintage-inspired design. The rear end carries a retro vibe with round tail lights, but there's a subtle modern flair with a clean, minimalist bumper. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes in a variety of vibrant color options, from classic deep blues and reds to more contemporary shades like metallic silver and matte finishes, all of which give it that show-stopping look on the road. The car's compact size and low stance make it an eye-catcher wherever you go. It's not just about looks though. Volkswagen has made sure the build quality reflects modern standards. The lightweight construction of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is paired with a sturdy frame, giving it the nimble handling and responsive performance that fans of the original will appreciate. Moving on to the interior, stepping inside the 2025 Karmann Ghia is like entering a cabin that mixes nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard maintains that vintage charm with analog dials and gauges, but there's also a high-resolution touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates modern tech like navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather and come with both heated and cooled options, offering comfort no matter the climate. The car's interior is surprisingly spacious for its size, with ample legroom for both driver and passenger, while the minimalist design ensures everything is within reach without feeling cluttered. There's also premium sound from a high-end audio system, which adds a touch of luxury to the driving experience. You'll also find a fully digital instrument cluster, which provides all the relevant information you need in a clean and easy-to-read format. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a true driver's car. Volkswagen has equipped it with a range of engine options, including an electric version that brings the classic styling into the future with zero emissions. For those looking for something more traditional, there's a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that provides an engaging balance of power and efficiency. The car accelerates smoothly, with just the right amount of punch when you need it. The handling is precise, and the low center of gravity makes cornering fun and stable. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the highway, the 2025 Karmann Ghia delivers a dynamic driving experience. The electric version, of course, offers instant torque and a smooth, quiet ride, making it perfect for those who want a blend of old-school charm and modern eco-friendliness. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't exactly cheap, but it's definitely not overpriced for what you're getting. The base model starts at around $30,000, making it an accessible option for those who want a stylish, fun-to-drive car that still holds some vintage appeal. If you're looking for a fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles, including the more powerful turbocharged engine or the fully electric variant, prices can go up to around $45,000. Considering the unique blend of classic design and modern features, the Karmann Ghia represents good value for those who want a bit of automotive history without sacrificing the comforts and performance of a new car. In conclusion, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia offers a beautiful blend of nostalgia, modern technology, and fantastic performance. Whether you're an enthusiast of the original or a newcomer looking for a unique and stylish ride, the Karmann Ghia's revival is a truly special offering in today's automotive market. So, if you're in the market for a car that looks as good as it drives and offers a taste of the past with a modern twist, the 2025 Karmann Ghia might just be the car for you.